Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Guess where we are? Newcastle Airport. Because today we are flying to Dubai, and then from Dubai we're going on to Bangkok, Thailand. So yeah, come with us. So we're all checked in, time to go through security, and I can't take you through security unfortunately, otherwise I would have put you on the scanner and just So there we have it, we're through security, managed to get through there. The only thing I got stopped on was a bag of gummy worms that was in Emma's bag. Anywho, time to go and grab some breakfast. Well folks, I've just learned something new. This year, Newcastle Airport is 90 years old, and as you can see, started off with biplanes, then I had propeller planes, and even Concorde flew from here. Fun fact, I actually watched Concorde take off, and I was standing next to the runway when it took off, because I used to have a security pass for here. So we've had to change tables because we were sat in the bar area. Now we used to be able to order the full breakfast in the bar area, but it's not anymore. So we've moved into the Keystone bar and restaurant, bar and kitchen, apologies. So because we want breakfasts. So I've gone for a giant breakfast zotti. It's not that very giant, is it? Beans on toast and more breakfast things going on over here. So I'm not sure how well you can see it on the GoPro, but above that TUI plane, which is going to Melbourne, Florida, just about here, that's our plane. It's just coming back from Dubai. It's going to empty off, fill it with us, and then and there's a model of the plane that we're going on. I want that model. So we're heading down to the departure gate, and there's the posh lounge. We're not that posh. And because we've got wheels, we've got to go to gate 19, but our actual departure gate's all the way along there. But this is a special assistance boarding area for the wheels.
For the wheels.
Cool whip. So we're in a line right to get on the refueling the plane, so I don't think we can get on until they finish refueling. Apparently they're putting 8 tons on, so there must have been fuel left in there. But anywho, I'll video again once we get on board. Oh, the posh seats, and then our seats are through here. So this is my home for the next 7 or 8 hours. Row 22 on the Boeing 777. And there's my mate Chaz getting on now.
But at Emirates, safety always comes first. So it's important that we take you through some safety features before takeoff.
Not the GoPro, I mean this one. And away we go. She's shaky. Try the other camera. There we go. This one looks down. As you can see with the headphones on, time to kick back and enjoy a movie. And it's lunchtime. Sorry about the flickering, that's the frame rate on the aeroplane. It runs on a different frequency. Anywho, lunchtime, I have some sort of potato salad, some cheesy nibbles, chicken korma and rice, a bread bun, butter, cheese and crackers. Oh, and a strawberry cheesecake. So we're landing in about 20 minutes time, and then we want to do it all over again. So that's where we started. This is where we're landing, and we're going to go all the way over here. So yeah, literally halfway. You can't see much because the camera's not very good, but that's Dubai, and that dot there is the airport. Keep up. Whoa, whoa, it's a shaky one. Whoa, only kidding. Just like that one down. Hey. Well, we've landed in Dubai, and because there was an hour delay at Newcastle, everybody's rushing because there's connecting flights again, and we've got like an hour to get to the gate. But this airport is huge, and apart from that, you've got to get there an hour beforehand at the gate. So really now, like now. Trying to get this gate, fingers crossed we can still get on. Yeah. Guess what, folks? We made it. I'm such an idiot, people. Rushed to get here. Rushed. Told you that. Just made it. No. Guess what? just made it to the gate opening. Yeah. It also means that I've come downstairs and went through security with like my boarding pass. Did you see a shop when I showed you there? There's nothing down here. Just waiting for the gate to open there. And yeah, better not be behind me. So anywho, as I was saying, got to sit here for over an hour. Emma, could have been sitting having a pint. Instead we're sitting here, listening to that. What an idiot. Yes, we're moving. And we're going on that big thing. There's the plane. And there we go. We're on board the A380, which is the big double-decker one. And this is home for the next 6.5, 7 hours. Welcome to Bangkok, folks. Now, Bangkok airport's so big, we've got to get a train. So the train takes us to the baggage collection. So I've got my phone sorted out already in there, so I have a Thai SIM card, unlimited data, unlimited text, phone calls, everything in Thailand, and it's 1799 baht. And it was Jordan Sando who told me to go there. Nice work, Sando. So there you have it, folks, we are in Thailand, and every time I walk past one of those doors, because we're still inside at the minute, ooh, the heat's hitting. Anywho, we've got to walk down to meeting place number 1 in the car park, or the pickup points, because that's where Gordon, Emma's dad, is meeting us. In fact, there he is right there, with a fresh haircut, ready to meet us. It's hot. Anyways, fun fact. In Thailand, when you're in a multi-storey car park and there's no more spaces left, all you do is you just park up in the middle of the lane. Look. Look. As long as cars can get past here, it's okay. And you want to know why it's okay? Say if he wants to come out, he literally just pushes the car out of the way because you leave it out of gear and the handbrake off. So all these cars, you can literally just push them out of the way. For example, when Gordon parked this up, he was down there, but the cars have been shimmied back and forwards. I mean, if I push this, watch. See? It moves! And now his car's ended up here because people want it out. So glad we've come on holiday to get some nice weather. It's great, this weather.
And a little boxer. Boxing school.
Hi doggies, we're home.
Hello, come on in. Hello, come on in.
Do not forget to subscribe, hit like and share and comment and do all that good stuff, because there's lots of videos coming up. We've got obviously Thailand coming up because we're there now, and Hong Kong Disneyland. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. Yes people, there you go. That is Newcastle to Pattaya in 27 hours without sleeping. Yeah. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.